Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. And here is I have another lesson for you today, and we're going to be learning on how we can plait the goddess bob. Yes, yeah, she got long hair, but I'm going to show you how you can do the bob of goddess braids. So this is how we started in we're trying to save the hair, because her hair was long, and these are the braids that we're going to be using. So I want you to follow me each step by step so that we can learn how to do the goddess bob. So when I'm done with that swaz, you can see how I did it. So I'm going to start my plaiting. This you have to be very careful, like whenever you're plaiting the bob, because most of the time people put few or they can put more. So you have to plait the goddess braid, the goddess bob, when you're counting. Like you just get that ad, like whenever you cut, you have to be with the ad whenever you're cutting your lines. Let your lines be let them be equal, and whenever you are braiding it in a box way, just know that on the step 2, that braid is going to be like the boxes are also you are supposed to arrange them in that box format. Like where you see the space, you just fill there. That's how we're going to. You can see how I'm doing it. Like the first box, the way it was. So now the second one, I'm trying to cover up the first box. The first boxes that I did. So this is how I'm trying to do my goddess bob. So I want you to subscribe on this YouTube channel, because I told you that I'll be giving you more hairstyles so that we can learn how to do all these. And remember to subscribe. Yes, don't forget to subscribe. So let's do this together. As you can see, we're doing this together. Yes, so you can see how I'm doing my braids. Like the first step after arranging my boxes. So the second one, I just get the braids on that line and covers the second braid. Just like that, you keep on covering those spaces like you've been leaving. So this is how you're supposed to plait your goddess bob. In order for it to look packed and neat, though when like you just do it the way it is, it can show that it is packed when not, just because of how you have arranged your braids, as you can see. Yes, so that's why, and I would like to thank all of you who are subscribing my YouTube channel, and those ones who give us time to learn all the things. If you have any question that you'd want to ask, please, you're free to ask. I'll be there to answer you. Yes, I'll be there to answer you. And when you're plaiting the goddess bob, please don't make it that tight. You shouldn't make it very tight. So you see, when I'm done, I'm cutting the bob according to the height that she wants. Yes, she wanted it that short, and it's what I'm doing. So as you can see, so I haven't applied the goddess, and it's what I'm going to put after. So this, for that one, I'm just going to crochet it. Yes, the goddess braids, I'm going to crochet it, so that I shouldn't put a lot. So I crochet it like that. I did it so that, because if I was plaiting while putting the goddess, it would be too much, and I wanted something very simple. So this is how I did it, and it came out like this, you see. So that means I'm just going to do some little the simple makeup, the lipstick and eyebrows, so that she can look different, so that she can look like someone from Hairstyles. This is how we do it, and I told you, like, we work as a team. We work as a team. This is it. So thank you so much for subscribing, Hairstyles. We love you so much, and I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you.